ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ, നമസ്കാരം. എഴുപത്തിൻ്റെ ഇന്നത്തെ എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇന്ന് തേഴ്സ്ഡേ ആണ്. സോ യു ഓൾ നോ ഇന്ന് നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്. ഈസ് PhD വെൽനസ് ആൻഡ് ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റൈൽ കൺസൾട്ടന്റ്, ആസ്ട്രോ ന്യൂമറോളജിസ്റ്റ്, വാസ്തു ആൻഡ് ഫെങ് ഷുയി എക്സ്പേർട്ട് ആസ് വെൽ. ഹീസ് ട്രാവൽഡ് ഓൾ ഓവർ ദ വേൾഡ്. ടുഡേ ഈസ് ഹിയർ ടു അസിസ്റ്റ് യു. അപ്പം തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിക്കാം എന്നാണ്. വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ ഇസ് 0529611333. അതുപോലെ SMS അയക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ ഇസ് 3537. SMS അയക്കുമ്പോൾ NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യം, നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് വെക്കാൻ മറക്കല്ല. അപ്പം എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. ഡോക്ടർ നമസ്കാരം, എഴുപത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
Namaskaram.
All right, Doctor. We'll start with the nakshatra for today.
Okay. So today's nakshatra we have is we call it Pushya or Puyam Nakshatra. Puyam Nakshatra. Yeah. The general characteristics are, like in control of passions, well liked, learned in various subjects, rich and fond of doing lot of charitable activities. The favorables are they are hardworking, creative, tolerant, and they like to learn lot of fields, plus good wisdom, likes to help others. They make good advisors and public servants, that is government officials. Then they are quite independent, interested in education and humanitarian causes, plus they make feel people wanted always. Good finances and quite passionate and defensive. Now unfavorable, they are very sometimes stubborn, selfish, arrogant, over talkative and oversensitive, doubtful of their worth due to others. They say them, sometimes they don't trust themselves, and sometimes they can be even victimized also, and with the wrong people they may go in sometimes, and they also have the habit of feeling quite insecure. The career interest for this nakshatra is basically, as I told you, government job, politics, geologist, biologist, military, police, musician, artist, rulers, ministers, managing directors, food merchants, etc.
Okay, thank you, Doctor, for that. We have a caller with us. Hello, namaskaram.
Hello, namaskaram.
ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ? Yes, പേര് പറയൂ. Karthik. Okay, date of birth?
28/3.
Yeah.
1993.
Okay, time?
2:55 PM.
Okay, എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചത്?
Trivandrum.
Okay.
ജോബിന്റെ കാര്യം അറിയാനുണ്ടോ?
Okay, ജോബിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണം അല്ലേ?
അതെ.
Okay, he's 28/3/1983. Time
28/3/1983 Monday,
Yes.
14:55.
Yes.
Okay.
Trivandrum. He would like to know about his job.
Job. Okay. Yes, you are Kanya Rashi.
Right.
Yes, and the nakshatra is Uttram.
Uttram.
Yes, Uttram nakshatra, correct. Your Kantaka Shani was going on. It is just finished. It was from you can say 2006, and just
Is that
finished.
Kandakashani or Ayurveda?
No, it was Kantaka Shani, 7.5 years, the big Shani.
Okay.
From 2006, yes, November 2006 to November 2014. So that's Kantaka Shani is finished. So it's good news, like like you must be having struggling for a job, or you must have not got a favorable job of your choice. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And your dasha which is going on is actually Rahu dasha, which also makes you a little bit of struggle, and subsequently doesn't give you 100% results of your efforts. Usually you will get
Okay.
approximately 35 to 40% results of your efforts.
But the thing is, Rahu is in 12th house, no?
Sorry, Rahu is in the
12th house, no? 12th.
I cannot understand.
Rahu is in the 12th house, he's asking.
Okay, yeah, Rahu, wait, I'll tell you. 1 minute, I'll tell you where the Rahu is. Yes, Rahu is in the 12th house, correct. And 12th house is basically the loss of, it's a loss house.
Okay.
Yeah, 12th house is basically Rahu's loss house. If it was in the 11th house, it would be a Raja Yoga for you. You are aware of Raja Yoga?
Yeah.
Yeah, Raja Yoga, we say Raja Yogam. So if it is was in the 11th house, it would be Raja Yogam. This is actually in Rahu. You can also face unnecessary litigations. Yes, you can also face unnecessary litigations also. Maybe it is not your fault, but maybe you have to face some litigations. This is actually not very favorable, boss.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would like you to do some remedies, because you know, like Shani is just finished, but still Rahu is there up till, you can say, March 2019, 01032019.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would advise you can do some remedies which will give you or lighten the effects of Rahu. One thing is, you should keep a small piece of square silver in your purse always. Drink water in silver glass, and even if you can eat food also in silver, that would be better. You can wear a silver chain also. You can wear aquamarine crystal. Okay, aquamarine crystal you can wear, and plus you are birth number 1, life path number 7. You can wear a 7 number. Prosperity pendant number 7. Basically 7 is considered to be number of creation. 7 days of the week, 7 wonders of the world, 7 continents, 7 seas, Sasur, and lot of things. Plus if you can keep aquarium in the house, it is better in the north area. And I would advise you can feed the cat daily for 62 days with cat food after sunset in the evening, and after 62 days only Tuesday and Wednesday. That would dilute the negative effects of Rahu. And even as Shani has just gone, but it has not given you any effect or any favorable results. Otherwise, you know, if you do the remedies for the particular planet while going, it should give you a boon, you know, let me tell you that.
Like that.
Yeah, but it is actually late now. But still, if you do all these remedies, I think you would get quite good favorable results in the mid of approximately 2015 for the job. Okay? Okay, thank you.
And I have yoga.
Hello?
Yes, can you repeat the question? Endu choichadu Karthik?
Yoga
I didn't get it. Yoga, he's asking something about the yoga. It's not
Because
clear.
the voice is not clear. That is why even I could not. Can you please repeat?
In my horoscope, do you have any yoga, like the Raja Yoga or any other yoga?
Okay.
Okay, no, you don't have Raja Yoga. You don't have that. I told you, if it was in the
Any
11th.
other yoga?
Sorry?
Any other yogas I have?
1 minute, let me check. No.
No.
Yeah, because when there is no combination of the planets, so it is not there.
There's no Rujata Yoga is there, right?
Which one?
Rujata Yoga.
Yeah, but the effect is very less, because it is not showing any effect. You see, if it was 11th house, it would be very much better. You know, like you would prosper in your field. You know, like a king. Yeah, but don't worry. This Rahu also will give you the benefit. Don't worry. It will give you the benefit if you do these remedies. You know. Okay.
Okay,
thank
thanks
you.
a lot for calling, Karthik.
Bye.
Yes, bye. All right. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി SMS അയക്കേണ്ട ഫോമാറ്റ് ഇസ് NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങൾ ചോദ്യം, ബിക്കോസ് NTV ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് നമുക്കിവിടെ SMS കിട്ടുന്നതല്ല. സോ NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങൾ ചോദ്യം, അതിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് വെക്കുക 23537. അതുപോലെ മുംബൈയുടെ ലൈവ് ഇൻട്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഗസൽ ഷോ ഇവിടെ ഫോർ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഇൻ ദ ഹിസ്റ്ററി ഓഫ് ടെലിവിഷൻ ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ NTVയിൽ വെച്ച് നടക്കാൻ പോകണം. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ഓൺ ദ December 18th. അപ്പം അന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് താല്പര്യമുള്ള നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഗസൽസ് ഒക്കെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിച്ച് നേരിട്ട് അദ്ദേഹത്തിനോട് സംസാരിക്കാം എന്നാണ്. All right, Doctor, we'll come to the SMS. Before that, we have another caller with us.
No problem.
Hello, namaskaram.
Hello.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഇത് John.
Okay, good afternoon. പറയൂ, date of birth പറയൂ.
Good afternoon. Date of birth January 26, 1961.
Okay. Jan 26th, 1961.
Okay, 26th Jan,
Yes.
1961.
Time?
Time actually I don't know.
Okay. Morning ആണോ ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ ഈവനിങ്?
Morning.
ആണ്. ഓക്കെ. എവിടെയാണ് സ്ഥലം? ജനിച്ചത് കൊല്ലം. ഓക്കെ. എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
ഞാനിപ്പോ ഒരു ചെറിയ ബിസിനസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. 2008 സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. പ്രോഗ്രസ് ലെവലിലേക്ക് വന്നിട്ടില്ല.
Okay, so business is not progress.
Yes, he started
the business,
yes,
and it is not up to the mark.
In 2008.
Yes, okay.
So it's not up to the expected
Yes.
level, yes. So he would like
You
to know
are
about that.
Vishab Rashi Rohini Nakshatra.
Yeah,
And
Rohini.
yes, and your 1 minute. Your dasha is, because I have to just check the dasha why you have not got any results. Yes, you got Shani dasha in your Jatakam from 2011. I think in the beginning the business was okay. Correct?
Yeah, that's right.
But from 2011, I think it is the graph is going down. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because see, you have Shani Dasha in your Jatakam. That is why it is happening, and it is up till 2030. Until you do some remedies, I think it is difficult for you to survive this business. Because you will be entering into loans or credit cards.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. You are Mr. George, correct?
John.
Yeah.
Mr. John,
Yeah.
okay. I would advise you can wear a rose quartz crystal,
Okay.
and you can also wear this prosperity pendant number 3. Prosperity pendant number 3. Keep a crystal pyramid in water in a bowl in the office, and keep on changing that water periodically, like every after 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
Okay, I would advise you feed the pigeons daily. Feed the pigeons daily with Chirupair for 43 days, and then only on Saturday and Tuesday. And if you can distribute educational books to the children, not poor children, but to the children, educational books, I think their smile also will make you happy and give you good results. Okay?
So any other than this, any
Other than any, I think for your business, what type of business is yours?
this is contracting business.
Yeah, so just check the office structures. Is it as per Vastu?
Yeah, it is as per Vastu.
It is as per Vastu? Okay, I told you keep this. Yes, tell me.
And if any the ownership we can change to my wife's name or my son's, it is be okay.
Yeah, that again we have to check your wife's dasha, that what dasha. You are going on Shani dasha, it is okay, but then we have to check the wife's dasha. If she is not having any Ardha Shani, Kantaka Shani, if she is not having any that type of phases, I think you can always change the business on her name, and you can be the active partner.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thanks a
thank
lot
you.
for calling.
Thank you.
Yes. Doctor, we'll go to the SMS. ആദ്യം കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം വന്ന കുറച്ച് SMS വായിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഇന്ന് വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന SMSകൾ വായിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Doctor, the first is Soumya.
Soumya, yes.
Yes, date of birth is 20/12/1986.
Okay.
Time is 4:59 p.m. Kochi. She would like to know about her future and marriage.
Yes. Karkadashi, she is Karkarashi, Alyam Nakshatra. Her Ardha Shani is just finished on 2/11/2014, but she got Sarpadosham. I think Sarpadosham prayer should be done, otherwise the marriage will be quite delayed, or you will get lot of obstacles in marriage. So this dosham, you have to do necessary prayers in your native place. You got Shukram, Venus Dasha up till 2026, so I don't think there's any problem. Only thing is Sarpadosham, I think you should do the prayers, and you will be very, very happily married. Plus I would advise you can wear a rose quartz pendant in it's basically a heart shape rose quartz pendant. That would also give you good results. The prosperity pendant number would be 2 for you, and if you can just help or give sponsor or donations to the elderly home people, if that would you do, I think that would give you good results. And if you can fast on Monday fasting also will be excellent for you.
Okay, thank you. അപ്പം സൗമ്യയ്ക്ക് SMS-ന്റെ ഉത്തരം ലഭിച്ചു എന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. Next, okay, before that we have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്? പേര് പറയൂ.
Hello.
Yes, പറയൂ. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്? Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, yes, കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, പറയൂ. ഹലോ വെൽക്കം ടു മിനിയോരം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
This is Chitra.
സേറ.
Chitra.
ചിത്ര. ചിത്ര.
ചിത്ര.
ഓക്കെ. ചിത്ര
Okay.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ. ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയാനാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
അതായത് ഹെൽത്തിനെ ആണ്,
ഹെൽത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചല്ലേ?
ജോബും.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ്
Okay.
ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
1983.
19th of
1980.
1908 ആണോ?
1980.
ഓക്കെ, പക്ഷെ ഏത് മന്ത് ആണ്? വിച്ച് മന്ത് ഇസ് ഇറ്റ്?
Yeah, April.
ഏപ്രിൽ. ഓക്കെ, 19th April 1983.
Yeah.
ഓക്കെ, ടൈം
9:30.
9:30 PM.
Yeah, PM.
PM. ഓക്കെ, പ്ലേസ്?
Sorry.
പ്ലേസ് എവിടെ ജനിച്ചത്?
It's in തിരുവനന്തപുരം.
ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല, എവിടെയാണ്?
തിരുവനന്തപുരം.
ഓക്കെ, കേരള. ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇൻ കേരള?
Yeah, Trivandrum.
ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം. ഓക്കെ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just want to know about the job and the health.
Okay, it's 19th April 1983. Time is 9:30 PM. Born in Kerala. Wants to know about the health and
Yeah,
his
1904 1983 Tuesday.
Yeah,
20,
exactly.
21:30 Kerala, Mithun Rashi, and the nakshatra is Punarvasu, which we had taken last time. It is Punartham.
Good. Yeah, yes, exactly.
Yes, and you don't have any Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani, and the dasha, which is your birth number 1 and life path number is 8. That is basically a number of obstacles, and the dasha which is going on is Budam dasha presently up till December 2027. It is just started in 2010. It lasts for 17 years. So Budam dasha will be there for 2027, and he can did he get any time skin problem?
Yeah, he had the cholesterol and some problems related to like that.
Correct.
And also he is heavy, it's too heavy, fatty and all.
Okay. I think one thing his water content in the body is less. I think he should drink early morning at least 1 liter of water,
Okay.
and let him take bath with little manjan on every Wednesday. That is turmeric, very little turmeric
Okay.
on Wednesday. Every
Okay.
Saturday he can take bath with neem leaves. You know neem leaves?
Yeah, I know.
Yes,
Yeah.
2-3 neem leaves he can take bath also on every Saturday. Okay, and he can wear a prosperity pendant number 1. Okay, it relates to 9 planets, and also I would advise him he can also donate medicines. He can donate
Okay.
medicines either to the poor, or you can also donate medicines to the orphanage.
Okay.
Yeah, to the orphanage on his name he can do it, or you can do it on his name, orphanage. Any type of medicines or vitamins or tonics, whatever is required there. I think the line got disconnected.
line got disconnected, but you can
okay,
just
but
continue.
I can
Sir,
just
she can-
no problem. I'll just continue
Yeah.
with it, and plus I can also advise him, for his betterment, for the health and job, you should take a flute. What you can flute? What is called flute?
Yes. Yeah. Flute.
So
Yes.
it's flute only. Okay, you take a flute, fill it with sugar and coconut powder. Fill it with sugar and coconut powder, and you can bury it at where you see the ant hills, or bury it where at the base of the tree where there are a lot of ants.
Okay.
So
In
it
the
is a
flute,
food
you
in the flute, yes,
Okay.
because holes are already there.
there. Okay.
So the ants
Order
can eat
kudal,
it,
other-
yes,
other-
and
okay.
that is basically a food for approximately 1 month for the ants.
And okay. All
So
right.
this is what
These are the
she can-
remedies.
These are the remedies
Alright,
what she can do
okay.
for her husband.
Okay. Thank you, doctor, for
Yeah,
that. We have
okay.
another caller with us. Hello,
Okay.
നമസ്കാരം.
Hello.
Yes. ആരെ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
My name is Anjali.
അഞ്ജലി. ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
About myself.
Okay. Tell me your date of birth.
It's 15 November 1981.
Okay. Time.
It's 4:57 a.m.
Okay. Place.
Place Dubai.
Dubai. Okay.
Dubai.
I wanted to know about my married life.
Uh-huh.
There's been some up and down, so I want to know about that.
Okay. Place is Dubai
Yeah,
and
I'll
married
just
life she would
calculate,
like to
yes.
know. Yes. അപ്പം
meantime.
by the time he is calculating, yes, if you want to meet him personally, നമുക്ക് doctor, you can contact him. You can contact, in fact, doctor. You can contact Mr. Kiran, and the
Kiran.
contact number is 0502724157. So Dr. Kumarne കാണണമെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ട് വിളിച്ചിട്ട് പോകാവുന്നതാണ്, and he will be there to advise you. All right.
Okay.
Yes, you are Mithun Rashi
Okay.
and nakshatra is Truvvatira.
Yes, that's right.
Yes. You don't have any Shani, but you have Sarpadosham. Did you do the prayers for Sarpadosham in your native place?
Yes, I've done it earlier, not recently.
Usually it is to be done in the once in lifetime, but it has to be done properly, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
Any particular place you would prescribe?
Yeah, place it is difficult for me to prescribe, but if you check your elders at the native place, they will be able to guide you very very properly how this prayers has to be done in the native place.
Okay.
Yeah, and regarding disturbances, yes, I think 1 2 3 4 there are 4 5 planets sitting in a place where they are very very weak, and basically I will say the thoughts, or I will say less compatibility between both of y'all is always going on, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, and are you working?
No, I was, but I left the job.
Yes, because you see what will happen if you are working, the disturbance in the domestic life also will affect your official life,
Okay.
Yeah, so I think I will give you some remedies, but this will keep on going for some time because I don't know, your Shani Dasha is going on, that is why you see it is going on from August 2007 and it is up till 2026.
2020.
Yeah, in your Jatakam.
Okay.
Yeah, when did you get married?
I got married in 2005.
5. I think if I am not mistaken, in the beginning I think it was okay going on, correct?
Yeah, it was okay.
Yeah, but slowly the things started getting little by little worse or worse,
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I will tell you some remedies. Try to do all these things.
Okay.
And if you wish personally, then you can contact me. Maybe I can guide you in a little better way regarding the same.
Okay, so
Yes.
is it mainly because of the Sarpadosham?
Yeah, one is Sarpadosham.
Okay, and the other one is?
Other one is Shani. So first you have to follow that prayers in your native place.
Okay.
Yes, and second is Shani. So these things you have to do. Until then, if you don't do, your life will be just the graph will go up and down, and you will not have peace of mind. Okay. I will advise you feed 8 poor people
Okay.
every Saturday once a month.
Okay.
It's very easy. Take 8 parcels and you can give it to the Baldia people, the Naturs, or there are a lot of constructions going on here. The workers are there, so you can do it here also at the same time with vegetarian food. Okay. So feed 8 poor people with vegetarian food every Saturday. We say Mahadanam is Anadanam.
Okay.
Okay, and you can also wear a amethyst quartz crystal
Okay.
and even rose quartz crystal. These both are very good for you. You can go for the prosperity pendant.
Okay.
Prosperity pendant number is for you 6. Your birth number 6 and life path number is 9, but 6 is better for you. It's the number for Venus. So you can go for the prosperity pendant number 6.
Okay.
And even I will advise you, you should be a vegetarian food on Saturday and Thursday.
Okay.
On Thursday, avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and basically for you, avoid beauty parlor.
Okay.
And do not wash clothes on Thursday.
Okay.
Avoid washing clothes on. I think this would give you at least a little bit of relief in your case.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot for calling. ഓൾറൈറ്റ്, അപ്പോൾ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞാൻ ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്, നമ്മുടെ SMS ഫോമാറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യം 23537. ഞാനത് വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും പറയും, നമ്മളുടെ പല വ്യൂവേഴ്സിനും ഇത് അറിയുന്നുണ്ടാവുന്നില്ല, ചിലപ്പം ആദ്യമായിട്ടൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നവർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഇത് പിന്നെയും പിന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓൾറൈറ്റ്, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ വിൽ ഗോ ടു another SMS.
Okay.
Before that we'll go for a break and then we'll come back to the SMS. Alright. So it's time for a break. ഒരു ബ്രേക്ക് ആണ്. ബ്രേക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞു വന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്, അതുപോലെ SMS അയക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. See you all after a short break.